Does male pattern baldness run in your family? And if so, does your dad have it?
Yeah, grandpa side, my dad, my tito. So yeah. But the thing is, it's weird nga kasi it's in my mom's side, so grandpa ko. Pero isang tito hindi.
Parang siyang sinuwerte,
Yeah, it's
no?
weird. Di ko rin masabi. It is in the family.
Meron ka bang relatives na fully bald na?
Be like fully bald or, well, they shave their head kasi. Pero I guess it's there. Pero yung fully no growth at all, wala naman.
So that leads me to my follow-up question. Final. Pagkalbo ba, masamang tao?
Bakit? Hindi naman.
Sa history namin, wala pa naman po. Even mga tito ko, wala pong nakita na naganing backward yung hair nila. Wala pa. Since di nag sa jeans.
So swerte sila, guys.
In my case, wala naman akong you see my hair is, I think healthy pa rin kahit na-bleach. In my case naman, hindi siya nag-run sa family namin. Pero I have an uncle na bald by choice. And I think simula nung nakilala ko siya, bald na siya. Hanggang ngayon, any length na tumubo sa hair niya, aanuhin niya talaga.
Follow-up question. Pag kalbo ba, masamang tao?
Ay, hindi. Hindi. Nasa puso yan, guys. Nasa puso yan.